Okay, day 2. I did a video on the box here, TS5 Thunderbolt Station 5 from CalDigit. I haven't unboxed it yet, but I will do shortly. I've been waiting for the adapters to arrive, which I have here. So if I push this to one side for a second, and I open up the packaging here, yeah, I bought an extra HMDI cable because the cable coming from the stone here, that's got a different kind of adapter head on it, which I don't believe will be usable for this. So let me just untie this. There we go. And you can see the cable here. Put this on the floor for a second. That cable is going to go all the way around the back into that unit there. Whoops. Dropping stuff here. Right. The next item is this USB hub. Not hub, what is it called? Yeah, no, it's called hub. 4-in-1 USB-C hub. Let me get the scissors here. I need to connect the unit to the HDMI cables. So I've got this hub device, HDMI here and HDMI here, and here is the end that will go into the back of the TS5. So I've been diligently waiting to open this box up. And here we go. Oh, this is interesting. Oh, I see. USB cables here. And I'm not sure what this is. I'm sure it will become apparent as I go along. Power leads. Looks like a European power lead. Transformer. Power supply. Let's take that off. Because I live in England, I'm using the the UK plug. And if you're not familiar with a UK plug, this is what it looks like. I'm going to save this because I do a lot of travelling, and you never know if I might be taking this with me. So, plugging this in, like so. Instructions appear to be printed as part of the box packaging. So you can see there. Oh, sorry, I just realised there's an instruction book in that envelope. Right, packaging back there. There. Move that out of the way. So let's have a look here. Can you see that? So grab this here. DC in. Oh, I wonder. Oh, I see. This looks like it could be an option for rubber feet. Really cool. That is really darn cool. The only thing I don't like from initial observation is you can do the same here, but that means to use that as feet you put this upside down with the writing upside down. I'm guessing. Let me have a look at the instruction book a second. Yeah, that confirms what I just figured out. That is used for rubber feet for the unit. Only mentions in the instruction book for going on the side, not going on the top. But interesting. I bring the box back over. It would appear from the instructions here, you can see what appears to be the input lead going into the first connector there. I presume it probably doesn't matter which one it goes into, but we will find out. Yeah, that's really cool. So if I go around back here, so yeah, no, I got it right. Yeah, silly me. It says here computer 140 watts, so that goes in there. And yeah, so what I'm going to be doing next is stripping out the connectors here on the old hedgestone unit here. And I have this other hub, let's bring this out of the way, other old hub here that I'm also likewise going to connect. To make life a lot easier, I've already bought these adapters so that I can, yeah, I'll show you, plug these in straight away. And let's see what it looks like. But anyway, I'm going to be doing a bit of wiring, and I'll get back to you in my next video to show you how successful things have been. Alright, bye for now.